Hey, if you want to update the drivers of your GeForce 1650, all you have to do is just to open your browser and then enter for the official nvidia.com website. When you open this website, you can go into the drivers. You have to go for drivers, click on the left mouse button, and from here you can find the NVIDIA driver. So you have to select your product type. In my case, that's actually the GeForce, the product series. So you have to scroll and go for the GeForce 16 series and then pick your product. So we are talking about the GeForce GTX 1650. So get this one, then pick your operating system. In my case, that's the Windows 11, and pick the download type, the studio driver or the game ready driver. If you are a normal user, just select the game driver, and when you click on this icon, you can actually find the small description. So if you are a content creator who prioritize stability and quality for creative workflows and other stuff, you will have to select the studio drivers. But when you are a gamer and using your PC for gaming, browsing the internet, just use the standard game ready drivers. Then pick the language of your drivers and then click on the search. After this, you can find the latest version for your card. So that's actually the 551.23 from this year. That's also the availability for operating system and the size of the update. From here, we can also check the supported products. So you are sure that it's actually for the GeForce 1650, and all you have to do is just to click on the download button. Now click on the download button one more time. And from here, you can actually follow the download. When it will be downloaded, all you have to do is just to click and install this file and follow on-screen instructions. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.